Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Donbok dekhal President kahito ulapan pau ba kajingpan sange shwa yaki election MDC ha GHADC kadai kajingjob baningkong yaki pat garo habakran ha kajingaki balapnong nakakomso hamot pran ulaong bakin mau bakidei ban Ïeng halaka hok bat kin mau kala de kapor ban kni no yaka hok bat omdei ban randien no naka hok ulapan kin mau ha usnam sejak nai spa sanpuar kabaladon kum kani ka Jingshah baki penrung kerteng yaki langut ki bomdei ki riulum hakasi bat Jingshah Hills Autonomous District Council ulapan pau bakum ki Samla ka Meghalaya kadika kamram jongi ban Ïada ila gari bat kajat ban riau nagini ki breu poi ai bat ban Ïeng ban Ïatylli lang bat ki garo ban Ïada ila gari na Jingshah Thombor
Aceh song, New Trevor song. First of all, I would like to begin by thanking the organization COMSO in collaboration with our brother. I wouldn't say people of Garo, but you are our same brethren because we are living in the same state. Just now I got one WhatsApp message saying that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya announced that they postponed the GHADC election. That is the one achievement to the Garo people. Secondly, I would like to repeat that remember that we will stand for our right, but this is the high time that we will snatch our right, but we will not beg for our right. It is true or not? We should understand that this history repeat again. In 20 June 1952, the same thing happened when they nominate 3 non-tribal in Khasi Hill and Jingshah Hills, Autonomous District Council. So since I am giving my friends, they told me to give a short speech. But the main thing I want to say to my brother, that we will stand united as we are here to protect our motherland, because you have seen those so-called Bangladesh or alien, they rape our mother, but our leader, they forgot, they neglect. So we, as the youth of the Meghalaya, it is our duty to protect our motherland. Am I right? So, are you ready to fight? Yes. I know we don't have gun, but we have with hand and fist. Like Garo people in 1829 and 1833, along with Tirot Singh, they fought together and chased away the British. Will do the same to chase all these illegal immigrants coming to our state. We will not surrender. And I'll speak in Hindi to those illegal immigrants right now, face to face. ये राज्य कोई अंजू पंजू का राज नहीं है, बल्कि ये एक शेर का राज है. पन्ना पन्ना छांट के देखो 1829 से 1833 तक तुम लोग ने आंख में हाथ लगाया है, देख अब क्या होगा. I convey this message to the government, to the Meghalaya Demonic Alliance. I have seen through different notification that you seek help from the Indian Army. Remember, Indian Army are to protect the country, not to protect the inner metal of our right. This is our clear message, and I would like to say once again, so like I said just now, Aceh Kasong and New Trap, we are brothers. Let's say the same at the same time. Thangba China. Aceh Kasong! New Trap Kasong! Lei Shibun, Shi Hajar Ngu, Mitela.
Ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbek ki kamru ku mengalong ya piminem don kamra songkai ni songin ya keren hi hang ni baraka kata kalong ka Karukom im jang diri undai. Langit ndagi beriu kelia be kata ka. Kum ka juk ko pamata kan. Kandung kani kau jong uman barim. Bon ki ai baro ki balik uman barim ki ladung.